Hello travellers, so today we're taking a look at some water shoes from a brand called Aleader. The size I have here is the US 9.5 and the colour is called Cold Grey. The make of this shoe is called the Xdrain Classic 2.0. Now Aleader did send me these shoes for review, but my thoughts and opinions are my own. There's also a 15% off discount code which is DEAN15 and you can use that on their website to buy some of these shoes, and I've put a link in the video description and in the pinned comment below. In terms of fit, I used the guide on the website and ordered the size US 9.5, which is actually the same size I wear in my Nike Free RNs. So I'd say they fit fairly natural and true to size. They are comfortable to wear too and have a soft insole and a vegan foam outsole. The elastic laces also kept the shoes comfortably on my feet and didn't feel too tight or too loose. The shoes have an interesting sole and insoles that both have perforations that allow water to easily drain through, which gives a much more natural and fluid experience when walking through water. There's no drag and they drain very fast and smoothly. It's quite a pleasure to wear them while walking on the sand or in the water. Unfortunately, the sand doesn't entirely drain through the holes as quickly as the water does, so when you take the shoes off after wearing them, you will need to do some extensive rinsing to get all the sand out. That's probably my only real complaint about the shoes, and it's something that happens with all water shoes. I've also tried the Decathlon water shoes and had the same problem with sand. Despite the sand though, they are actually really great for walking through water and other terrains. Although I don't feel like I would suggest wearing these as your only travel shoes. They feel more suited to beach or hiking situations or on light trails. They're more of a flip-flop upgrade, and I'd only really wear them in the same situations where you'd wear flip-flops. I feel like walking on cement for a long period of time might cause them to wear a little bit quicker. And with the perforated soles and the breathable mesh, they wouldn't be quite as suitable for winter seasons. In terms of style, I think they actually look a lot better than a lot of other water shoes that I've seen. They actually look a lot more like normal sneakers, and Aleader actually has a range of different styles to choose from on the website as well. The colour I have here is cold grey, but they also come in a nice black and white combination. I'd recommend checking them out if you're in the market for a pair of do-it-all water shoes. They are comfortable and do look good. As I mentioned earlier, you can get 15% off with the discount code DEAN15. The links are in the description box and in a pinned comment down below. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know down in the comments whether you prefer water shoes or flip-flops, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.